हर साल वन थिंग रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट अबाउट MDCAT और वो है पास्ट पेपर सवालों की रेपिटेशन. सो ऑब्वियसली व्हेन वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर MDCAT तो हम लोग पास्ट पेपर्स को इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते. एंड ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिसिंग विद पास्ट पेपर गिव्स यू एन आइडिया ऑफ द एग्जाम फॉर्मेट, helps you understand important topics कौन से हैं, and kind of gives you a real feeling on what to actually expect on the exam paper. So our MDCAT course bundle gives you access of the past paper questions of the previous years. In fact, let me show you how they exactly look on our website. So this is our website, TABIR ACADEMY.com. Once you're on the website, you can quickly scroll down into this MDCAT section and click on Complete Preparation Bundle, which has everything you need to ace MDCAT 2024. Once you're inside, you can quickly head over to this past paper section, and this is it. Select whatever past paper you want to solve and the questions will start appearing. Read the question statement, select whatever answer you think is correct and submit it. In case your answer is incorrect, you can quickly learn the concept and it's going to tell you about the answer and its explanation. And when you close it, the next question will appear. Read the question statement again, select whatever answer you think is correct and submit, which in this case is correct. If you still wish to learn the concept, you can do so by clicking here and it's going to tell you about the answer and its explanation. It's that easy. So practice with real past paper questions and make sure that you're ready for anything MDCAT 2024 throws at your way.